Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the complete settings for channel customization. But before we get started, I have a small request. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can easily receive all upcoming videos. First, open YouTube Studio in your Chrome browser. Click on your profile icon. Then long press on your channel and open it in a new tab. Click on Customize Channel. You'll now see the channel customization page. Here, you can upload your channel banner and set your channel logo. To create a logo, I'll use ChatGPT. I'll ask it to generate a logo based on the name of my channel. I've already had one created earlier. I'll either take a screenshot of it or download it if the option is available. Once downloaded, return to the customization page and upload the logo. Select the image and click Done. Now the logo will be visible on your channel. Next, we'll design the channel banner. Again, I'll use ChatGPT to generate a banner based on the theme and name of my channel. Once the banner is ready, I'll download or screenshot it. Then upload it on the customization page. While uploading, you'll see a preview showing how the banner will appear across different devices. Adjust accordingly and click Done. Now, I'll edit the channel name. Below that, you'll see the channel handle. You can change it if needed or leave it as is. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a channel description based on my niche. Once the description is generated, I'll copy it and paste it in the description box. If the word limit is exceeded, I'll make slight edits to keep it concise. Now you'll see the language option. Choose the language you'll be creating your videos in. I'll select the one that suits my audience. Scroll down to the social links section. You can add your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. To add Facebook, go to your Facebook profile. Click the three dots. Copy your profile URL. Paste it into the Enter URL field on the customization page. You can also enter your email address below if you'd like people to contact you. Now it's time to add a video watermark, the small logo shown in the bottom right corner of your videos. I'll again use ChatGPT to create one that fits my channel's branding. Once it's ready, I'll either download or screenshot it. Upload it under the watermark section and click Done. You'll be asked to choose the display time, end of video, custom start time, entire video. Choose this if you want the watermark shown throughout the video. I'll select entire video. Publish your settings. Finally, click the Publish button at the top right. Let the page refresh and your updated channel settings should now be live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and follow. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. Bye-bye.